Yes, be ready for the dictation. Start. Hence, any apprehension of the said ashram about the existing ashram being altered can be espoused in the governing council by the representative of third respondent. Stop. In other words, apprehension expressed by the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner that the decisions would be taken by the governing council or executive unilaterally to the detriment to the ashram stands allayed. Stop. In fact, we notice that the role and responsibilities of the governing council has also been fixed under the government resolution. Stop. The authorities required to implement the project have also been specified under the said government resolution, which would clearly indicate that neither the ashram nor the existing Sabarmati ashram, not its value and importance, is being denuded or reduced. Stop. But on the other hand, by virtue of the said development work which is being taken, the existing ashram would receive attention at all levels, and it would not only be a source of inspiration to one and all across the globe, but it would also be an international tourist destination which in the process would earn name and fame at the national as well as and international level. Stop. In that view of the matter, we are of the considered view that this writ petition is not required to be entertained, and by placing on record the submission and undertaking given by the learned Advocate General on record, we dispose of this writ petition. Stop. Hence, the question on issuing of notice to any of the respondents would not arise. Senior counsel appears on behalf of the appellant. Stop. Mr. Tushar Mehta, Solicitor General, appears on behalf of the first respondent on caveat. Stop. The High Court did not call for an affidavit in reply from the state of Gujarat, an opportunity in response to the petition before it proceeded to dispose of the writ petition. Stop. It would have been appropriate for the High Court to decide upon the issues which are raised in the petition after furnishing to the state of Gujarat an opportunity of filing a comprehensive affidavit dealing with various facets of the matter. Stop. The High Court, having disposed of the petition summarily without calling for a reply from the state of Gujarat, we are of the prima facie view that the matter would require to be remanded to the High Court. Stop. The Solicitor General has fairly consented to the petition being restored back to the file of the High Court to follow the above course of action. Stop. This court has not entered into the merits of the issues which are sought to be raised by the appellant before the High Court, or for that matter expressed an opinion on such aspects of the matter which the state of Gujarat or the other respondents would seek to place before the High Court. Stop. The High Court would form a fresh view after allowing the pleadings to be completed and hearing the parties. Stop. All the rights and contentions of the parties are kept open. Stop. Both the senior counsel for the appellant and the Solicitor General. Full stop. Over.